Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your Rigas Mamasagrid channel. A faith healer o Zumatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy ay kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang dila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys now what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga hagilap? Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Archangel Michael messages. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa ating Archangel Michael? Okay. So there's something a positive thought create a positive result. Always being positive and being optimistic. So panatilihin positibo ka daw. No? Huwag ka maghahatak ng negative. Diba? Manatiling positibo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. There's na have confidence. Lakas loob, tapang mong harapin lahat ng mga bagay na nararanasan mo sa ngayon. Alisin mo yung takot na yan. Not pangamba. And there's a go forward fearlessly. See? Diba? Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan. Walang kinikilingan. Diba? Kailangan, alam mo sa sarili mo yung Jones mo. Alam mo sa sarili mo yung pinaglalaban mo. And because this is something guys, we lean on God and angel support. Nandito ang ating gabay, ang ating Panginoon ginagabay at sinusuportahan ka. No? And this is something guys with a favorable outcome. At papabor din sa iyo ang sitwasyon. At magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan nito. So let's see guys, no? Paano natin to hihimay-himay at paano natin to bubulabugin? Ano pang ganap sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? Tuklasin at alamin na natin yan guys. So let's watch this. Angel Spirit, let's give me information pa. Okay. There's something the Ace of Swords. Now there's something a breakthrough. Na may mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka na. Na may mga bagay na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan. Ano man yung kailangan mong putulin o alisin sa buhay mo. No? May kailangan kang alisin dito na maaaring nakakasakit at nakakapanakit sa'yo or maaaring ikaw mismo ang nasasaktan dahil din sa kagagawan or ginagawa mo. And because there's a Knight of Cups. Now there's something offer, romantic offer, proposal. Now there's something an offer for you that brings you a higher level of commitment. Now, what is additional messages? There's a Five of Cups in reverse, something acceptance. Now, may mga bagay na tatanggapin mo na. Ano man yung mga bagay, posibilidad na ibinibigay at pinagkakaloob, tinatanggap mo ng buong buo. And there's an Eight of Wands. Now, there's something of past communication and past movement. Now, some of you makakatanggap ka na ng messages, phone calls, a lot of transactions. No, maraming mga kliyente, customers, no, at the same time, guys, maaaring makapag-trouble ka pa. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a death card. Now, there's a something an ending and in your beginning. Na may mga bagay na tatapusin na dito. May mga bagay na magsisimula na. O may mga bagay na unti-unti nang magwawakas. No? At magkakaroon ng panibagong chapter. And there's something the Eight of Swords. No, napapalibutan ka ng toxic negativities. No, kaya kailangan huwag ka matakot, mangamba sa kung ano man yung bagay na ginagawa mo. Dahil at the end of the time, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay maaaring pumabor sa iyo. Maging maganda rin ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. What is the Ace of Swords? The Ace of Swords represent with the World card. Now, there's something guys with the travel, success, accomplishment, maraming parating. Maraming mga bagay na maaaring pumabor na sa sitwasyon mo at magdala sa'yo na mas maliwanag at positibong kalalabasan. And this is something guys with the Six of Wands for a victory is yours at magtatagumpay ka. You know why? Nandito ang ating mga gabay, full support, no? na ginagabayan ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. What is the Five of Cups in reverse? Now, there's something guys with the Three of Pentacles. Collaborations. Now, marami ka ng bagay na matatanggap ngayon. No, papuri or maaaring marami ka ng bagay na matatanggap dito. Messages, phone calls, no? And this is something the King of Cups. Now, there's something devoted for the person. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. Some of you, if you are having a husband, a wife, at the same time, meron ka dito ancestry guides na gumagabay sa'yo. What is a Death card? There's a Two of Swords, no? Ibig sabihin dito, na the waiting is over. Ito hinihintay mo, matatapos na. Makakapag-decision ka na. What is the Eight of Swords? Represent what? Represent with a Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Dahil napapalibutan ka ng mga toxic na tao. No? Kaya kailangan pangalagaan at protection ng mga pinaghirapan mo. No? May mga taong lalapit sa'yo pag kailangan lang ng tulong. Pag naaalala ka lang kasi kailangan nila ganito, tulong ng ganito. Kung kailangan maging aware ka. What is the Ace of Swords and across the world, girl? Represent guys with the Three of Cups. Now, there's a lot of celebration coming in for you. Now, maraming celebration magdadala sa'yo ng ultimate happiness. No? What is additional messages with another Cups and across the Six of Wands? Represent guys with the Ace of Cups. Sabi ka na nga ba may love offer na paparating? Now, if you are being single, maaaring may darating na tao magpapatibok sa pikang puso mo. No? Maaaring namang magkakaroon ka ng new love. Or either ibabalik ang kilig ng ibabalik ang kilig at magkakaroon ka ng higher level commitment ng person mo. And this is something that is the Pentacles. Now, there's something a big shot and big money coming for you. No? Ibig sabihin nito, matatanggap mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong matanggap. No? Aalisin mo na yung takot at pangamba at pangihinayan sa lahat ng mga bagay na nawala. Now, what is the Eight of Wands because the King of Cups? Represent with the Emperor. Maging mature ka na and being grounded sa mga decision or actions mo at sa mga gagawin mo. Magkaroon ka ng maturity. What is the Death card? Because the Two of Swords in reverse. Represent with a Hermit card. No, there's something guys with a soul growth. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ay parte ng spirituality mo. No, na kailangan mo may mga bagay na matuklasan sa sarili mo, na kailangan mo kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Ito yung sinasabi na ating Archangel Michael, go forward fearlessly. Kasi may mga pangamba at takot ka pa na ayaw mong mag-take ng decision or actions. No, baka magkamali ka, baka husgahan ka nila. No, kaya natatakot ka. What is additional messages where the Eight of Swords because the Four of Pentacles? There's something, the Eight of Pentacles, no? Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. Na mag-concentrate ka. No, sa kung ano naman yung mga bagay na nagbibigay sa inyo resource of income. Kung saan ka lalago, yun ang tutukan mo. What is additional messages for the outcome? For the outcome, guys, there is something, the Moon card at Truth Reveal. Lahat ng mga bagay dito ay lalantad, lahat ng mga bagay dito ay ipapakita at ibabahagi sa'yo. Ano man yung bagay na dapat mong malaman, ito na yon. Let's see. And there is something, the Three of Wands. Now, there's a waiting for result, waiting for a ship, no? Naghihintay ka na resulta, document, papers, there's a possible na dumating na. Now, what is additional messages? And there's a King Man. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling imprisonment, no? Kailangan mo nang baguhin ang pananaw mo how to manage and control your finances. Natatakot ka sumugal sa eksena na to? Natatakot ka ilaban to? So, kailangan mo nang baguhin ang pananaw mo na kailangan mong lumaban at kailangan mong magtagumpay sa ginagawa mo. No? What is additional messages? And of course, there is something, guys, with the Knight of Pentacles, security. Maging secure ka sa mga plano mo. No? Proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo, laban sa sarili mo. No? Dahil, kumaga may mga plano kang gustong gawin, hindi natutuloy dahil maraming mga naiinggit behind your back, kaya huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong informations, no? What is additional messages? And this is something, the Queen of Swords. Clear the boundaries. Linisin yung mga bagay na makakasira sa pangarap nyo, makakasira sa eksena nyo, makakasira sa gusto nyo gawin sa buhay mo. Let's see what is additional messages. And because there is something, the Fool card. Now, there is something, a leap of faith. Now, dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. Panibagong pag-asa at maaaring mararamdaman mo na ang progreso ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo. na magtatagumpay ka, mararanasan mo na ang dapat mong maranasan, mararamdaman mo na ang dapat mong maramdaman. So guys, let's see, what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Alamin na natin yan, guys. So let's watch this. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for finances and career. And there's a Ten of Cups with a happiness, so magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na this time. Na magdadala to na nag-uumapaw na tagumpay at kaligayahan. Magiging maayos ng iyong finances or resource of income. And this is something that Emperor magiging mature at magiging grounded at the same time. Magkakaroon ka ng revert or retreat. Madi-disconnect from the world. Mamahalin mo na yung sarili mo at aalagaan mo na yung sarili mo dito. There is some of you guys, maaaring nga manganganak yung business mo or finances mo. Mas lalo siyang lalago at dadami pa. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And it's something that's wolf with a partnership. Na may mga partnership din dito kaakibat. Maaaring kumbaga dadami ang mga kausap mo, kapartner mo. And there's a Four of Wands. There's a lot of event and celebration coming in for you. Now, there's a lot of branches. Nakita ko na maraming branches dito. Maaaring magbukas ka ng negosyo. And there's a Page of Wands. May magandang balita na paparating sa'yo. Now, may magandang balita na maaaring lumago ang iyong finances. And there's a Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang with the sabotage. Now, maraming tumatrader, maraming naghahanap sa'yo ng kasiraan. Kaya huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong information with other people. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life. There is a justice card. May legal matter dito, guys. May usapin about sa relasyon. Maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng divorce, annulment, separations, and there is a justice card is something, a law. Meron talaga usapin about sa mga papeles, dokumento, and there's a justice card. Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, there's a consequences. Maging aware. And there's a Six of Cups. There's something, a past person coming back. May babalik, there's a good karma for you. Kaya ito babalik siguro na tauhan. And of course, there's something, guys, with the Knight of Wands. Magtiyaga ka lang sa ginagawa mo, magpatuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. And there's something, the Four of Swords. Ipahinga mo yung utak mo, yung isip mo, yung katawan mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights that because of worries. And overthinking. There's something, the Six of Pentacles, na magiging maayos at magiging maganda na ang iyong relasyon at kalusugan at ang iyong finances. And there's something, the Seven of Pentacles, harvest moment. Dahil sa paghihintay mo, aani ka na ng biyaya at gaganda na ang takbo ng iyong kapalaran at pagpapalain ka na. Ganun din ang relasyon. What is the additional messages? Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan. And there's a Five of Wands. So, may mga bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon. And there's a Three of Swords. Ibig sabihin, may gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda dito, ha? Para kung ano maramdaman mo. There's something the Wheel of Fortune, but there's a turning back. Kusang bumabalik sa kanila yung mga ginagawa nila sa'yo. And there's a destiny to happen. Talagang magiging maganda talaga kapalaran mo dito. And there's a Seven of Swords. There's a sneakiness. There's a cheating lying on you at the same time. There's a stalking. Maraming mata, maraming nakatingin sa'yo. And there's a star card for recovery and healing. But don't you worry, nakapabor sa'yo ang universe. Diba? Sa'yo pumapabor ang universe. There's a magician, see, I told you. Talagang there's a power of God, the universe will align with you. Na talagang full support, ang ating universe sa'yo. So let's see, guys, what is additional messages with a magical fairy messages, advices, and of course, pick a card, yes or no. Alamin na natin yan, guys. Wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa, ha, para malaman natin ang ganap sa inyo. Then, of course, paalala ko lang, ang pick a card, yes or no, mag-isip ka ng questions mo kung anong gusto mong itanong. Then, of course, isa lang ang magiging sagot sa tanong mo. It's either 1, 2, or 3. Pipili ka lang na isa dyan. Then, of course, comment down below, kung ano yung number na napili mo. So, let's see, guys, and watch this. With a magical fairy messages surface in 1. With a magical fairy messages. Holiday. Ngayong holiday na to, the answer you're looking for can be found during vacation, retreat, and or holiday getaway. No? So, kumbaga masasagot doon ang tanong mo, lahat ng mga katanungan mo masasagot na yan ngayong holiday and vacation nyo. No? Siguro para maliwanagan yung utak mo. No? Kaya kailangan yung, kumbaga, umalis-alis, no? Magbakasyon. And because guys, there's something with a harvest moment, no? Aani ka na rin ng mga biyaya, no? Kumbaga lahat ng bagay na pinagtrabahuan mo, aani ka na. And ask for what you want, no? Mingi ka ng gabay sa ating angel spirit ng mga bagay na kailangan mo at gusto mo. Let the universe and other people know what you need. And this is something express your individuality. Ipakita mo sa kanila yung ano man yung kakayanan, katangian, kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka na kaya mong gawin. So guys, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? For yin and yang oracle card represent alchemy with an ancestor guides, no? Merong mga gumagabay at sumusuporta sa dito mga angel spirit. And there's a self-worth. Alam mo daw sa sarili mo yung halaga mo. Don't please anyone, guys. No? To accept. So, let's see what is additional messages. And this is something a cycle and change. Na unti-unti na babaguhin talaga ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo. No? Kailangan mo na rin baguhin ng sistema. No? Na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. What is the synchronicities represent what? And there's an intuition. No? Kailangan palawigin ang iyong intuition. Makikita mo lahat ng kasagutan sa katanungan mo. There's a silence. No, kailangan mo maginti kung bibig tahimik sa lahat ng gagawin mo. No, at the same time, there's something called gratitude. Just being thankful sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. What is the romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck? And of course, guys, there's something addictions. Now, some of you guys, no, na maaari nga nagbibigay ng unhealthy attachment dito yung something addictions. Maaaring mahilig ka sa sigarilyo, mahilig ka sa alak, ganun, umiwas ka. And this is something guys with the divine timing. So, kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na to, maniwala ka, mangyayari to, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Now, there's a new love. I told you, there's a new love coming in. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong pag-ibig. What is the additional messages tayo with an angel spirit for angel's number? Represent what? For an angel's number, represent 1122 with a great ship. First, focus on the positive changes occurring due to your effort. Then expand your horizon and permit yourself to try something new. So many positive shifts are in store for you. The world around you is changing in your favor of your attention. So see, una sa lahat, maging positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena na gagawin mo. No, kung gusto mong umani at gusto mong makuha yung mga bagay na pinagtrabahuan mo, this is the moment na kailangan mong baguhin na kung ano man yung mga bagay na nakagisnan mo. Maging positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena at lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari ito ay magiging positibo rin ang kalalabasan. So let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. With a Money Move Oracle deck, represent with a love affair. Now this is something is with a don't lose your mind. Be aware for love affair and work rarely and well. No? Kumaga sinasabi dito na maaaring meron ditong third party involved. No? At baka magkaroon ng third wheel. And this is something what lies beneath with the hidden future. So let's see what is additional messages with what lies beneath with the hidden future. And because this is something of fighting for what you love. Claiming what yours love is a battlefield. So see, ang buhay at ang pag-ibig ay isang parang malaking laro o malaking labanan. No, kaya kailangan lumaban ka kung ayaw mong matalo ka. Ganon. So, there's something a clarifying of for love situation. So, let's see what is additional messages. And this is something guys with a soul compass. Let intuition guide your step, illuminating the life path meant for you. Diba? Kung magayaan mo ang intuition mong ay daling ka sa bawat eksena na kailangan mangyari sa buhay mo. No, kung para sa iyo yun, gagawin niya yun para sa iyo. No, talagang magaganap yon. Hindi mo yan mapipigilan at mangyayari yon. What is the path of the light? Represent what? What is the path of the light? Represent what? And I am the light. No matter the trials I face, I hold faith in a bright future. I transform the darkness into the light. Opening my heart to other and to God, I draw the light to myself and shine with all my being, radiating love, hope, and strength. So, si ikaw ay magsisilbing liwanag sa lahat. Ano naman yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, naman yung mga bagay na naranasan mo, tandaan mo, lahat ng bagay na yan ay parte lamang ng pagdadaanan mo. What is the shadow work represent what? For the shadow work represent what? Heal through art. Creativity expressions. Express your shadow in the art and let healing unfold. Diba? Ipakita mo yung kumbaga intention mo or ganda ng nararamdaman mo. Ano man yung mga bagay na nararamdaman mo, kalungkutan ka, kaligayahan yan, ipakita mo no, na lahat ng bagay na to ay parte lang ng bagay na gusto mong matutunan at gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. No, parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na the more na may nangyari sa buhay mo, huwag mong hayaan na daling ka niya sa madilim na part, no? Kailangan mag-isip ka ng bagay kung paano ka hihilumin nun, no? Paano mo mailalagay yung sarili mo sa ibang eksena, no? Huwag kang tumutok doon hanggang sa malugmok at gawin mo yung bagay na para makakawala ka sa negatibong mundo. So, let's see what is additional messages for clarifying of for life situation. And of course, this is something, guys, with a stop and reflect. Pause in your journey and appreciate how far you come and where you're headed. No? Ibig sabihin dito, tigilan mo yung mga bagay na alam mo magre-reflect sa'yo. No? Kaya kailangan pag-ingatan mo yung bawat pangyayari at kaganapan sa buhay mo kung ayaw mong mangyari ulit sa'yo yon. So, kailangan mo mag-pay attention. So, let's see, guys, no, what is additional messages for a pick a card just or no for Archangel Michael messages? Alamin na natin yan, guys, no? Pwede ka mag-question dito or the request, comment down below kung anong number na napili mo. Okay? So, let's see and watch this. With a pick a card, yes or no? Okay? Let's start the time with the number 1. And there's a no. Crack in your facade, unsupported drying up. Diba? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na huwag mong hayaan na parang matuyot ka o parang masayang lahat ng effort mo. Alam mo sa sarili mo na parang walang sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo, parang nadidrain ka na dyan sa lahat ng nangyayari, kailangan mo kumawala at humanap ka ng bagay kung saan ka lalago at yayabong. Diba? Huwag mo ipilit yung sarili mo dyan sa bagay na yan o sa sitwasyon na yan. And there's a number 2, there's a yes. Stoke your passion and heart desire blooming. So, sundin mo yung nararamdaman mo, doon ka lalagot, doon ka lalakas at doon ka yayabong. No, tutukan mo yung mga bagay kung saan yung hilig mo, saan yung gusto mo, yung talaga namumutangi sa puso mo. What is additional messages with the number 3? And this is something, guys, with a no. Cut short, appeal, battle, fighting for a lost cause. No? Kumbaga, putulin mo na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi, parang wala kang laban. Na parang alam mong hindi ka magtatagumpay. Kung alam mong wala ka ng mapapala or wala ka ng makukuha dyan sa bagay na yan, kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan. No, dahil at the end of the time, parang madidrain ka na lang at mapapagod ka na lang. Na parang nasayang lahat ng effort mo, nasayang yung gusto mong gawin. No, at the same time, putulin mo na yung bagay na alam mong hindi dyan mag-work. No? Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo na kahit anong gawin mo, hindi siya magbabago o hindi siya magiging maayos, kailangan mo na talagang lumaylo at pakawalan. So guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for this sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang di lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, so ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po yung si Direx Video. Bye-bye and babush.